Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another Clash Royale video. Thank you so much for joining in, and today we're going to try out this magic bridge spam deck. Now we have these really cool cards. We of course have the battle ram, which man, with that dash damage, the charge damage, not the dash damage, you can actually get to do a lot of stuff up in Clash Royale. You can actually get that entire tower down if you actually do that around 2 to 3 times. So it's a really great card. For just level 9, you actually are going to get a charge damage of 492, which is around 500, which is really a game changer, of course. Now, you have these various other cool cards. Of course, in bridge spam decks, you actually don't see a magic archer, and we actually have one to see how it's actually going to work out. So, this is a really cool deck. We're going to try it up in these higher arenas. The Electro Valley, not that high, but then at least decently high. So, yeah, we have these other cards as well, and let's just get into the video. But before that, make sure you leave a like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you click on the notification icon. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like. And let's get right into the first attack. So, there are some electrocutions happening up in the Electro Valley, of course. Now, we are going to attack someone from KSA. How simple is that? Now, it's pretty simple. Okay, good luck. Pretty nice guy. We're going to be pretty decent with him as well. So, we're going to drop in the magic archer. He has the elixir pump. We're going to drop in a fireball to actually do some stuff over there. And we're going to put in the ghost. I don't actually want to put in the battle ram yet, because I don't know what the opponent has to counter for it. So I'm gonna zap it, and that is pretty good for us. So the ghost, and then that the magic archer is pretty much gonna do the stuff here. So we actually have to put in the Inferno Dragon over here, and we need to actually drop in a lumberjack or maybe something like that. Yeah, I'm gonna drop in the lumberjack because that's actually gonna take down that weirdo. Okay, the executioner is down. No, not yet. Okay, I really don't care at this point. This guy is pretty much gonna do a lot of damage. There you see, level begging over here. Oh my god, how cool is that? So we're gonna drop in this, and I don't have any Ayrus Blast Troop. It's really horrible, and that might actually do the I don't have any counter for it. No. Okay, so we might be in some trouble here, because you see, we don't have really cool cards. So, we need to make up the elixir and drop in that Inferno Dragon. So, okay, so just dropping that in, and we are in some deep trouble, you guys. Damn it, man. We actually have to take that down, because the P.E.K.K.A, if it locks on to that tower, oh my god, that was really close. So, we're just gonna stick on to over here, and, okay, so the opponent is gonna put in maybe the pump again, the elixir pump. So I actually don't want to put that, but what's wrong with the magic archer? I think it was doing damage. If not, he's pretty horrible at it. So, he's pretty dumb, honestly. For a legendary, I don't think he's worth it. So 300 more hit points remaining on that side. Well, we're probably gonna get that, no problem about that. So, okay, oh my god, we're losing out the elixir over here, so making the entire battle gonna turn around over here. So, he does zap it, what's going on? So I'm gonna just drop this, and he does drop in that gang, which is really awesome, which I actually love to see. And oh, come on! That dash damage would have actually done it, but that guy didn't actually allow me to. So, dropping in all we got to make sure that we're gonna get that second tower taken down as well. Man, can you believe it? We're actually taking in a lot of damage. So, we probably are gonna drop in the lumberjack, and the second tower is going to go down as well. Hopefully, yes, it is. Just in time. 400 more hit points. Are you kidding me? No, the lumberjack again. No. Oh, god damn it. Just need another 200 more hit points. Can you believe it? We actually need to fireball this. The game is not yet over. How freaking horrible is that? We might as well be in some trouble here, because we are actually facing in a lot of heat. And then this giant over here is actually a huge threat for us, of course, at this point. We actually have to take it down. So I actually don't know, maybe this fireball should probably finish the game off, but 800 more hit points, man, this is getting really close. Another 80 more hit points, damn it, this is getting really close. Okay, so the battle ram is probably dead again. What on earth is going on? Really in some trouble, you guys. You see, we are actually facing in a lot of heat. This giant probably do the stuff for us. So dropping in this, and the fireball finally does get in over here into the battle ram, and we can get that victory. Man, this is really close. You actually did play a really great match. So well played, man. Really well played. We'll get into the second attack, and as I said it's a really nice deck. It does work. Of course, although it has a magic archer, which is really dumb. If you don't have the magic archer, I'd say don't take that monkey. He's really horrible. But apart from that, all of the guys have purpose up in this deck. So we're gonna do damage to the tower as well as that. And what? No damage done properly. So the okay, so the witch will probably be taken down by the magic archer as well as this guy. So we're pretty good, I suppose. I don't know. Oh, so there she comes. There she is. Okay. The magic archer is probably gonna do some stuff here again. He's actually doing the Ayrus blast stick, but then it's not actually working. Damn it. Okay, so dropping in the lumberjack because I don't want the princess to lock onto the tower. That would be really horrible. So again, okay. So we're dropping in this, and then we actually are going to drop in this. So the mini P.E.K.K.A should probably just one-shot it. No, it's actually needing 2 shots, which is really nice, of course. And okay, there it is. We're gonna drop in the fireball to do damage to both the tower as well as the wizard. So the wizard should be taken down. No, 1 shot for that guy. Really, man, the Inferno Dragon, just a bit more of a damage would have probably done it. But we actually need to stop this huge guy coming in. And we actually need to zap it. Come on, what on earth is going on? Man, this guy did lock on, and he's actually doing a great amount of stuff. So, I actually have to drop in another card on the left. God damn it, and everything cost me 4 elixirs. So definitely not a good idea over here. So the lumberjack is of course going to be taken down by that hut as well as that tower. So the lumberjack is probably going to do some stuff. Yes, he is. He's a really great guy. But we're going to drop in the magic archer. He's going to do some Ayrus blast aspect over here. No, I absolutely hate this guy. Just see the amount of damage he actually does to a card. Like a skeleton horde. Just see, that's just absolutely horrible. Man, I hate him. Okay, so the magic archer is going to be what on earth is going on over here? So we need to take down this mini P.E.K.K.A. Of course, it's a huge threat, and we need to get that out of the way. So we're gonna fireball this maybe. Oh no, not gonna fireball that. Oh god damn it, we're losing an elixir, and I don't want to do that absolutely. And we're gonna drop in this, and then this guy. Why on earth is he doing it? We probably have a lot of stuff to do over here. We have that thing that the what is she? The princess on the right, which is really horrible, of course. And then we have these magic archer on the left, which is actually really cool. I mean, he actually has to do some of the other damage, but then he's not gonna do it because he's a Dumbo, of course. We can't actually expect a lot from him. So we're gonna drop in this, and then the mini P.E.K.K.A. is going to shoot some on that, which is really bad. Okay, we're gonna zap it and make sure that the princess is gonna lock onto the tower again. Damn it, I should have actually dropped in the okay, the ghost is actually locking on over there, so it should have actually dropped in the battle ram on the other side. That should have actually made more stuff. So now dropping in this and then dropping in that, we're actually doing in some pretty great damage on the right, which is really cool. And then we need to drop in this, and then the mini P.E.K.K.A. is actually doing in some stuff here again. So we're gonna zap this and probably get some stuff done there. Okay, so the Inferno Dragon is logged on the left, so definitely the tower is on heat. You can see 100 more hit points, just fireballing this, and we've pretty much taken down the victory. So well played. He actually did forget the Inferno Dragon. Would you believe it? It actually did around 2,000 damages in no time. That is absolutely awesome, and you definitely have to love the Inferno Dragon because of that furnace, which actually does drop it out from his mouth, which is really cool. Yeah, absolutely love the Inferno Dragon. So yeah, this is the deck. Well, we actually didn't see a lot of action from the battle round, but then these other cards definitely did play a big role up in this deck. So yeah, thank you so much for watching till the very end. Hopefully you enjoy. Make sure to leave a like, and make sure you copy this deck if you want to. There'll be a link in the description, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. I'll be seeing you the next time. Until then, goodbye.